Hi, I'm Brenda Barber, the Deactivated Nuclear Power Plant Program Manager for the Baltimore District Corps of Engineers. Today we're at SM-1A at Fort Greely, Alaska, and behind me you can see that we're in active demolition of the former SM-1A nuclear reactor site. So the team began demolishing the structural steel of the building. They've also removed the turbine train. So the turbine, the generator, and the reduction gear have all been brought safely to the ground, and the team is in the process of processing the waste to place it into intermodal containers for shipment off-site. In order to prepare for demolition, the contractor spent several months removing environmental hazards from the building. So as you can see behind me, we've completed all of our asbestos abatement, removal of universal waste and hazardous waste, and we also removed siding from the building associated with the former construction here at the site. As part of the demolition effort, the demolition contractor is sizing and segregating waste materials, as you can see here behind me. Once the materials are sized and segregated, they're loaded into an intermodal container, which is then properly secured and transported to our waste storage area here at Fort Greely. While it's there, it awaits transportation to the waste disposal facility in Texas. In order to enter into the demolition area, we have strict safety protocols in place for both radiological and health safety. We are working under a radiological work permit, which requires us to check in with the radiological control technician and put on our proper PPE, which for this demolition activities are booties and gloves. Once the team has removed all the structural steel from the former footprint of the building, the demolition contractor will move to the vapor containment structure you see behind me. The upper portion is a false wood facade, which they will remove first. They will then remove the steel dome underneath the false wood facade, and then they will carefully nibble down the concrete of the outer vapor containment structure so that we can make room for the future construction of the weather enclosure here at the site.